My name is Tina, and I came all the way from Abuja.
My name is Collins, and I'm from the Children's Practice, Ikoyi.
I'm a postgraduate student from the University of Lagos.
I work as a molecular biology trainee at Leveraging Bacterial Genomics, the Solutions in Africa at UI.
I got to know about this training from a friend of mine. She attended earlier this year. So when she heard about it, she was like, Kechi, you have to be here. I'm not into medical line, I'm more into research. But just come, you are going to benefit from it. I said, all right.
What first drew my attention in training module was the fact that it was the physical training.
So I would say this 3 days workshop on training has been in depth. Lecturers they're all wonderful.
My name is Monica, and I would like to take us back to sometime in April when I had the first session with ISN, and that was quite impactful.
When I learned about this particular training, I was so happy. In fact, I speak to a lot of people to attend to part of the training. From that first training, I saw fantastic teachers that will make you build your interest, whether you like it or not.
For this time, it's sample handling the pre-analytical phase of everything we do in the lab has always been a major challenge. During the course of this training, I've been able to understand that one of the most important things that we have to do as scientists in the healthcare system is imbibing the culture of setting up SOPs. Because SOP is guided on how to do things the right way.
I came here and after the first day, I was like, okay, yes, it's more medical, but I could pick a lot of things that I could implement in the lab.
Some things that I got to know that I never knew before, like documenting, SOP. I was like, this is very nice. So going back now, I'll start documenting every step of my research work, writing SOPs.
I believe in career progression, and I believe I want to know more. So when I was told about this program, I said, fine, I have to take advantage of this. And there is no regret.
I'm sure we didn't exhaust everything that has to do with a pre-analytical phase of running tests in the lab.
One thing that stood out for me was that you can't overflow the training of staff, more like training them, like continuous training.
I was looking forward to, okay, when is the next one? And I asked Mr. Ruffus, he said they will communicate. And I was confused, okay, how much is it going to cost because of the value of what I received then? I was looking at one big money like this, and he said it will be affordable.
I don't think my PI in lab level, but this opportunity.
I'm very grateful that I came. It was a very impactful experience.
The experience has been really, really amazing. And this experience is going to really stay with me for a long time.
Is this 30,000 the affordable? I'm very grateful to ISN for adding value to me at such little or no cost.
I would say this program is free of charge. That's what I would just sum everything up, because the value we got is more than what we can pay for.